Reggio Emilia is a child-centered approach to learning and teaching. This approach has the children expressing their interests, building curiosity in what is appealing to them as learners. We came to Grotto's to specifically learn how we could make a pizza. So we've talked about going to a grocery store and buying ingredients for any kind of recipe that you would make at home, but we wanted to give them an experience of actually making something with ingredients. So this was just the perfect opportunity. So they were able to use their five senses with the dough. They were able to sprinkle their own cheese on it. They were able to put the sauce on it. We talked about the ovens and how they bake. And then we were lucky enough to enjoy our individual pizzas.